All right, let me show you how I took my security camera game from this to this. I love that. AI tracking and zoom all built into one. This is one camera doing two jobs. This is the new eufyCam S4. And if you've been around the channel, you know up in this spot, I had two cameras. And this is replacing it because it's 2-in-1. It's a PTZ on the bottom and a Bullet Cam up top. Of course, it's got battery internal, but also removable. And it's got the solar panel as well to constantly recharge it. And it's got that AI tracking built into it. And you don't need web services or anything else. It's going to do it all with the core system. And it's not going to let you get away. It's going to follow you wherever you go. I even tried coming down here, and I wanted to go directly underneath it and duck it and see if it could track me. And sure enough, it knew right where I was going.
Yep, he still got me.
And yeah, it's got built-in security and alarms too, so it can warn people off.
All I can say is you married well.
As a matter of fact, I did marry well. This woman is awesome, bringing one of my 3D printers here for me and dropping it off. But again, it's showing these AI features. You know, I've got the nice static, Bullet Cam up top, which I love, always showing that, but I don't have to give up that PTZ, and I don't have to control it. It just sits there and it goes, oh, look, there's somebody. I don't like him. He looks suspicious. Look at the shine off that dome. Oh, here's a shady character. That's my son. I love how it tracks it right into the shop. That is so cool. And night vision. This is checking on my my DoorDash girl here. Make sure she gets back to her car. You know, I'm in a shady part of town. Anyway, let's get in the app and let me show you what you can do once it gets recorded and you can take a look at the app. Of course, I have the home base, so that adds a few features to this. All right, so I'm in the app and this is currently set up in front of my shop door here. And if you've seen my other videos, you can see that. And what you'll notice is that there's two views. We got the fixed view up top and the movable view at the bottom. So if I click down here on the pan tilt, there we go. I can now move the bottom. See my son's snowboarding boots in there. Pan up some. There we go. Pan around. See my truck parked right there. And then my Suburban parked in front of it. See trucks moving across the street. And then, we got presets. We can do panorama, which generates a panoramic image. So if you want to get that, you can. But I want to show like the way you're really going to use it. So look at this. Let me pan up over here so we can get some distance in it. Their limit has been reached. And that's based on the way I mounted it. So let's go in now and go to 3x and zoom that in. Look at that. And I come back out here. And now we'll click over here and we're going to tilt the camera. All right, and now it's just on the movable camera. And I can see the fixed down here in the window. And I can still do the 3x. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And I can record a movie. I can play sound through it. Of course, I can still control it, the movement, over here. And I can even, clip it if I want. So there's lots of stuff. I can even play my manual alarm. I can have the lights go. I can have it all go. I can do all of that from within the app. I can go back here and you can see all my other cameras in the app. Now they're different ones because they were mounted outside. We've taken those down, but we have the base and we have events, service, smart, and shop here. So we can go to events and you see me walking into the office, yada, yada, yada. And a lot of people don't talk about this. You can actually access your eufyCam through the web. They have a web app. You have to enter a security key you get from your app, but I can sit there at my desk, pull up on my computer, and I can see, I don't have all the features and control like you do in the app, but I can at least pull it up, take a look, and see what's going on through any one of my cameras. And when I say it replaces two cameras, I mean it replaced two cameras. This is my Bullet Cam with the built-in solar. It's a eufyCam. These are both eufyCams. I have to say, and yeah, this is a sponsored video. As we, you saw the notice at the beginning. It's a sponsored video, but I don't see anybody who's at the same level as eufy is right now. There might be one other brand that's close. Everyone else is, yeah, I don't even know if they can see them from here. I get tons of camera companies trying to get me to talk about them, and right now, this is the brand I'm talking about for a reason. Just the build quality and the apps and the support and everything. It's just the whole ecosystem. If you follow me for my Bamboo Labs, you know how I like a good ecosystem. But seriously, I had these. I had this one up top and this one down below so I could get the same functionality that I'm getting from this one camera. And I can't say enough about it. First of all, the solar stuff just blows me away. As far as I'm concerned, it's dark magic. I can't believe that little solar panel will power that camera night and day. And these cameras, this one's been up for, I think, about a year and a half. And I think this one's been 2 or 3 years at this point. And I'm up here in Montana in the Rocky Mountains. So it gets about 107 in the summer. And in the winter, we go 2-3 weeks solid below zero. I'm talking wind chills in the -50s. And that's at like noon. All right. So we get all the extremes. We get a ton of rain in the summer. We get usually a good amount of snow. This past winter, not so much. But we definitely get the ice and everything else on top of that. So anything that can stand up to this kind of weather like we have here, I'm happy with. But, having the 2 units there was kind of cumbersome and stuff. And now I got all that in one, plus the AI tracking, which is, before I'd have to get on my app and pan over and go, what is that? I get a notification. I look at it. I'm like, okay, let me see if I can track them. Now it auto tracks for me with the AI. And that's all built into the system. You don't have to subscribe to something else. You don't have to have another feature. Now, if you may have seen before, I've got the home base unit from the last one. So I just hooked it up that because it adds a few other features, like it adds, you can identify faces with it. So you could say, these people are family, don't send me notifications if you see them because they're supposed to be there. But if it sees a person that it doesn't recognize, it'll send me a notification. It can also tell the difference between cars and animals and stuff like that. And as far as the install, oh my gosh, because they're like, oh, show the install. I'm like, it's 2 screws. It's literally 2 screws. There's an adapter plate. Duncan put this up here for me.
One sec. And yep. Yep.
And if he could do it, anybody can. It's my son, I'm kidding. But there's a little adapter plate. You put 2 screws in, the plate gets mounted, and you just snap the camera onto it. And then there's 2 locking screws on the side, but they just keep it from coming off. They don't really, that's not part of the mounting part per se. Now, I will say this about the solar. Now, you saw how I have it mounted, which is it's using one of these. Actually, I got an extra one here. It's using one of these mounted to the wall, but you can also mount it to the top of the camera. So you can have a completely solid, just all-in-one unit if you want to do this. I did it this way because I already had this mounted, and because we get really high winds up here, and I just was worried about the leverage of having it on the camera and having it twist the camera like that. So I wanted it more securely mounted basically up against the wall the way it is now. Look up Livingston, Montana winds, and you'll understand why we did that. But let me show you about pricing and all the other features and stuff. So let me jump into that there. So this is the core unit here, coming in at $350. And that gets you the Bullet Cam with the PTZ on the bottom. Now I will say this, when I showed the alarm on it, it showed this light going off and this light going off. These lights on the side are red and blue police style lights. I think they're a little cheesy. I don't think anybody's going to see this camera going red and blue and think, oh my gosh, the cops have got a camera on this dude's garage. I don't think that's what's going to happen. I like the white better. I know, maybe it's easier to see. Maybe I'm reading too much into it, but you could opt between the two. You saw the one I opted for, of course. But back to the camera here. You got the full, it's got 3 lenses, 1, 2, 3, plus the motion tracking, all that built in. And you can see here, they've got the solar. Let me show you. Actually going the wrong way. Let me show you the solar mounted on top. There's the mounting plate I was talking about. Again, it just snaps in and you got 2 locking screws to hold it in place. It is about as easy as it gets. This part right here, that's the battery. So now this comes with a removable battery. So when you get the unit, you open it up and you plug it into USB and it charges that battery. Then you put it back in. There's a locking screw that holds it in place, and that's it. I guess if there was a situation where the solar wasn't working or something, you could take it out and you recharge it, maybe get a couple batteries and swap them as needed. But I'll tell you what, I have used these cameras for years, and the solar's always been enough. And I'm not exactly in like the hot spot for solar. So I'm stunned. Like middle of winter, we haven't seen sun in months. Still works just fine. In fact, the new panel, which is this one here, says it can work in the shade. I've heard of people using it indoors just off of, ambient light and stuff like that. So it's pretty good solar panel. Let's see what else they got here. The other side of it, there you can see that from underneath. And there's a close-up of the mounting plate. Very exciting stuff. And there you can see the up to 164 feet for the PTZ camera for auto targeting and tracking. We got the siren. There you can see the red and the blue lights on the siren deterrence lights. The Bionic Mind, as I said, it gets better when you connect it with the home base. And as I was also saying about the solar, now with 1 hour direct sunlight equals 24 hours of power. And I would say that that's easily true. I'm really stunned with the quality of the camera and the solar, how well it's held up to our weather. I thought one of these, when I tried the first one, I'm like, oh, this won't last. It lasted. Anyway, thanks again to Eufy for sponsoring this. Yeah, it's a sponsored video. Take it for what it's worth. Just understand this. This might not be the right solution for you. Not every job needs a hammer. Yes, I'm talking to the Sparkies out there. Not everything's a hammer, okay, folks? And you might not be in a situation, like, case in point, this one I took down, and I'm going to put it somewhere else. I've got a spot behind my building where the only approach is between two other buildings. I don't need pan tilt zoom there. They can't come from the left or the right. They can only come down this kind of like an alley kind of way. Guess what that's perfect for? Bullet camera. So that's where he's going to go live, all right? And there's other places where maybe you just need a pan tilt zoom. Maybe you don't need, the full auto tracking, the whole 9 yards. I don't know. This is going to go up on a mast, so it can get more of a bird's eye kind of point of view, and probably won't even need to zoom and just use the wide angleness of it, as it were. But as you said, or as you can see, I was using two cameras to do exactly this. And now I've simplified it to just one. And you can connect it to the home base, which gets you more storage, more features. And you can connect it to their web, stuff, but you don't have to. All right. Now, it's got built-in storage. It does the AI all by itself. It's a standalone unit on its own. Adding other stuff just gets you more features. All right. You don't have to have them, and you don't need a subscription to get usefulness out of it, which is one of the things I like. Anyway. We'll put links and everything down below. If you think it's going to suit some of your needs, go check it out, or maybe just browse, take a look at it. Oh, and I almost forgot. It's 24% off all eufyCam S4 bundles during the sale, up to $1,000 off at eufyCam, eufy.com for their spring sale, okay? 24% off all bundles, up to $1,000. Links and everything down below. Check it out. If you like what we do here, if we bring you value, go ahead and chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.